Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello, my amazing people. First of all, Happy New Year. Take a deep breath. Slow down for a moment. You are here. You are alive. You are listening. That means something. I hope this year brings you peace in your mind, strength in your heart, discipline in your actions, and clarity in your direction. Welcome to 2026. Not just a new year, a new beginning, but one. You are not late. Let me tell you something important. You are not late. Not late in life, not late in learning, not late in becoming who you want to be. Life is not a straight line. Everyone works at a different speed. Some people start early, some people start later. But the only thing that matters is this: you are starting now. And now is powerful. English practice. Repeat slowly in your mind. I am not late. I am exactly where I need to be. My time is now. Part 2. Why small steps change everything. Many people believe change must be big. Big goals, big actions, big pressure. But real change is usually small and quiet. A small habit, a small decision, a small step taken every day. Small steps do not scare your mind. Small steps do not exhaust your body. Small steps build trust with yourself. Example: if you want to learn English, not I will be fluent fast, but I will practice a little every day. 5 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, one sentence, one word. This is how fluency is born. Part 3. Consistency is more beautiful than talent. Talent is nice, motivation is exciting, but consistency is powerful. Consistency means you show up when you feel good. You show up when you feel tired. You show up even when no one sees you. You don't need to feel inspired. You just need to continue. English practice. Say this softly. I choose consistency. I continue even when it is hard. I trust the process. Part 4. Discipline is self love. Many people think discipline is punishment. It is not. Discipline is self respect. Discipline is self love. It means I care about my future. I keep promise to myself. I protect my dreams. Every time you practice, every time you learn, every time you don't quit, you are saying, I matter. Part 5. You will feel uncomfortable, and that is good. Growth is uncomfortable. Learning a new language is uncomfortable. Changing habits is uncomfortable. Becoming better is uncomfortable. But discomfort is not danger. It is a sign of growth. If you feel uncomfortable, it means you are moving forward. English practice. Repeat. Discomfort means growth. I am growing. I am becoming stronger. Part 6. Stop comparing yourself. Do not compare your life to others. You don't know their story. You don't know their pain. You don't know their timing. Comparison steals joy. Comparison kills confidence. Focus on your path. Focus on your next step. That is enough. Part 7. When you feel tired, there will be days when you feel tired. On those days, rest, but don't quit. Slow down, but don't stop. Be kind to yourself. Progress does not disappear because of one bad day. What matters is that you return. English practice. Say it. I rest with intention. I return stronger. I do not give up. Part 8. Your daily promise to yourself. Make one small promise. Not 10, not 5, just one. Maybe one English video, one page, one sentence, one step. Keep that promise. Trust grows when promises are kept. Part 9. The person you are becoming. Imagine yourself at the end of 2026. Calmer, clearer, more confident, not perfect, but stronger. Every small step you take today is creating the future version of you. Part 10. A quiet truth. You don't need to change your whole life today. You only need to change today. One decision, one action, one moment of courage. And tomorrow you do it again. Final message. This year is your blank page. Write gently, write patiently, write honestly. And remember, you are capable, you are learning, you are becoming. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing growth. Welcome to 2026.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.